If you've watched the video on troubleshooting, then you'll already know that's the place to find wiring diagrams for systems such as engine management, anti-lock braking and supplementary restraint. The circuit diagrams available directly from the diagnostic hub cover alternative on-vehicle systems not included within troubleshooting. We're going to be taking a look at the kind of information that's available, how to access this, and how it might be helpful in diagnosis. From the diagnostic hub, I'll select New Vehicle, and we're going to use the BMW 1 Series from the last used list. Once the vehicle is selected, the circuit diagram icon becomes available on the diagnostic hub. Selecting this takes us through to the circuit diagram home screen for the vehicle. We have a number of drop-down boxes and sliders. I'm going to limit the search to bodywork section and choose a wiring diagram for the wiper system. Once selected, the diagram is displayed on the right-hand side of the screen with the component key on the left. Moving the slider shows the full list of the components available on this diagram. Once a component is selected on the diagram, the key automatically displays the information for that item. Should you wish to see a section in more detail, then a zoom icon can be used. Alternatively, use the zoom box icon and draw around the area of interest. The zoom out icon can be used to return the diagram to its original size, as can the reset button in the bottom right hand corner. Wiring diagrams can be a big help when it comes to vehicle diagnosis. Let's say, for example, the rear washers aren't working. I can find the washer pump on the key. I can zoom in over the washer pump and, if necessary, minimize the key to put the diagram into full screen mode. The diagram has abbreviations on it. Their meaning can be looked up by clicking the Abbreviations icon on the bottom row. Here we have wire colours and their abbreviations. It's not uncommon to carry out voltage drop testing on ground circuits. The ground point information will aid diagnosis as it gives the user the ground location for the component, in this example the rear washer pump. And here we can see the ground point G120 is on the right hand side of the engine bay, and here its actual position on the vehicle. The diagram shows many connectors and components. The good news is you don't need to memorize these. An example of this can be seen here. We have a symbol at point 1. And unless you're a regular user of wiring diagrams, you may not know what this means. Help is always close at hand, and selecting the symbols button displays a picture and its meaning. It's just a connector. Other information is available from the symbol drop-down menu, covering many additional aspects of circuit diagrams. We hope you found that helpful. Why don't you select a vehicle now and see what kind of information that's available? It's a great way to familiarise yourself with the Mentor Touch.